Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. For all of my inspiring content creators out there, I wanted to bring a product to you that I purchased that I think will be beneficial to a lot of you guys who are getting started, especially when it comes to creating product videos, product photos. That is this little kit that you guys see right here. So you are going to receive two of these little support bases, and this is what holds everything together and up. And then you also receive two of these little clips, and I'll show you guys how these are utilized as well. The base of all of this is this system right here. And what this is, as you guys can see here, is a top and bottom layout, similar to what we would have in a photography studio. So the way this works is you're going to place a bottom sheet and a top forward sheet on this, and that's what's going to create your virtual or your backgrounds for your images. Okay, now this kit comes with a variety of different textures for your kit. Let me show you guys what you get. You're going to receive a variety of panels, and these are two-sided. As you guys see, each one of them has a different color. You have your pink, you have what looks to be like a tan, you have a dark brown, a lighter brown, you have this sort of blue marble. The opposite side, you have a white marble. You also have some wood textures as well, as you guys see here. And you have some darker textures in this kit. So again, we have the marble, we have the dark marble, we have the gray, and we have a darker gray that you can use in this kit. So let's set this up and let me give you guys an example of how you would utilize this. So first things first, you're going to pick whatever colors you're going to use for your layout. Now, I think a lot of people like these wood textures. So we're going to start off with a wood texture as our base, something like this. And then what we want to do is find some matching color that would be the equivalent of a wall color. So in this situation, I want something that'll pop. So let's just say we'll go with this. Okay, so let's take the rest of these and put these off to the side. Now this also comes with, and let me show you guys really quickly. It also comes with this little travel bag. So if you are going on location and you want to take this with you very easily, you can take everything and it'll fit perfectly inside of this bag. All right, so let's start setting everything up and getting ready to do our first video or photo shoot. So first thing you want to do is find your little brackets here, and you're just going to attach those on either side like so, and that's going to stand this upright. And there's enough clearance on these that you'll still be able to slide your textures in. So we're going to go with this wood texture here, and we're just going to slide this guy into place. You want to push that all the way up to that seam. And then we have our background that we're going to do the same with. We're just going to drop that in, and we want to push that all the way to the seam, so it's a seamless background here. Then of course we have these little clips, and you're going to use these clips on the very corners just to secure everything in place. And I'll show you guys what that looks like. So once you have everything secured, you're going to use the clips to lock everything in place. Now, at this point, you can start building out your scene. So let's say, for instance, we were going to do something rustic. We went with this wood design. So let's just pick something that kind of flows with that. So we have this little knife sharpener, and we could take all the little pieces out here. It also comes with all of these little finger protectors. So we could take our knife sharpener, we could place that like so. Then we could take our little fingers and kind of place them out around just so someone would know exactly what they are. And you could do that. Now, ideally, you would want to do this with a new unused product. Then you could take your knife position it something like this, and then that is the basis of your shot. Now, using this system, you can do a top-down shoot, you can do a front-facing shoot, you can do whatever you want to based on how you want to display your products, right? So you could stand your products up if they'll stay in place and then do a shot from that perspective. So in a nutshell, guys, this is a really nice product for someone getting started in creating content, looking for a way to easily arrange things and design some type of aesthetic, and you want to be able to photograph these things and use them for social media or whatever the case may be. So definitely take a look at this little kit. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I am out.